Imagine for a moment, you're floating in the void, surrounded by an endless sea of stars. But it wasn't always like this. There was a time when the universe was nothing but a single, unimaginable point of energy. Today we're diving into one of the most mind-bending stories ever told, the epic saga of how our universe came into existence. Buckle up because we're about to journey from the Big Bang to the formation of galaxies, stars, and even life itself. Welcome to how the universe was formed. Picture this: 13.8 billion years ago, everything we know, every star, planet, and atom, was packed into an infinitely small, dense point known as a singularity. This was the beginning of our universe, an event we call the Big Bang. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind and understand what this explosion really was. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space, it was an explosion of space itself. As this singularity began expanding, the universe rapidly stretched outwards. In the first few moments, the universe cooled down enough for particles to form. These particles combined to create the simplest elements, hydrogen and helium. But the story didn't stop there. Fast forward a few 100 million years and gravity took over. Clouds of hydrogen and helium began collapsing under their own weight, igniting nuclear fusion in their cores. These first stars were massive and short-lived, but they played a crucial role. They created heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron through nuclear fusion, elements that would later become the building blocks of planets and life. Over time, these stars died, and their remnants spread across space, seeding the universe with these new elements. Meanwhile, gravity continued to sculpt the cosmos, pulling together gas and dust to form galaxies. Our own Milky Way galaxy was born around 13.6 billion years ago, just a short time after the Big Bang. Within our galaxy, about 4.6 billion years ago, a new chapter began. A giant cloud of gas and dust started to collapse under gravity, forming what would become our solar system. The sun ignited in the center, while surrounding material coalesced into planets, moons, and asteroids. Earth formed around 4.5 billion years ago. For the first few 100 million years, it was a chaotic place, with constant volcanic activity and asteroid impacts. But as things settled down, conditions became just right for life to emerge. The earliest life forms were tiny, single-celled organisms, but they set the stage for the incredible diversity of life we see today. And here we are on a small blue planet orbiting a medium-sized star in the outskirts of a galaxy, a speck in the grand cosmic tapestry. The universe has evolved from a single point of energy to the vast and complex structure we see today, with billions of galaxies, countless stars and planets, each with its own story. The story of the universe is ongoing. As it continues to expand and evolve, we can only imagine what the future holds. But one thing's for sure, the cosmos is an ever-changing, ever-expanding wonder. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through time and space. If you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and questions about the universe in the comments below. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars.